Today is my second day. So, gym lang agad, no? Huwag nang patumpik-tumpik pa. Pizza, sarap. Okay. Libre lang yan. Hi guys, how are you? So today is my third day on board the cruise ship. And then I am in Barcelona right now. Yesterday we were in Marseille. So what happens today is that most of the guests are outside doing the excursions. So ako naka-duty, so dito lang ako sa barko. So this is the terminal. That's the ongoing expansion para sa cruise terminal. Kasi nag-expand ang cruise industry. Ito yung top deck ng barko. We carry 3,400 guests. So guys, please do not forget to subscribe para malaman nyo naman kung ano talaga nangyayari at paano kami mga Pilipino nagtatrabaho sa cruise ship. Minsan lalabas tayo, pakita natin yung lugar na pinupuntahan natin. And for now, we focus on the inside of the cruise ship. Ano yung mga ginagawa namin dito. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Oh, ito yung photo gallery. May mga old school picture taking pa rin, no? For souvenir. At saka ito yung wine bar. Ganda. Ito yung isa sa mga pinaka-busy na bars. Merong event dito, entertainment every night. Piano or solo guitar, acoustics. Diyan. Okay. So this is the embarkation deck. Ayan mga lifeboats yan. Ang lalaki yun. 150 persons capacity. Hello guys. Today is my third day at the gym. And today is in Malaga, Spain. I'm planning to go out mamaya para maka-unwind naman after 5 days work. So yan isa sa mga bar na sinusupervise ko. Out of 17 bars on board, tatlo kami assistant bar manager, isang bar manager, and 81 bar staff. So it's a big operation. And today we are in Malaga, Spain. So later on lalabas tayo para naman makapag-distress. Anyway, mag-1 week pa lang ako rito. And okay pa naman. Diyan o makikita mo ang right now I'm at on top of the deck. Near the pool area. That's the pool bar over there, and then there's a big TV. Mamayang alas 3 lalabas tayo. So right now it's 12:20. So alas 3 lalabas tayo. So tayo downtown. So we're in crew drill today, crew drill. So finally nakalabas na tayo, no? Hindi tayo nakalabas yesterday sa Malaga, Spain. Pero we are in Gibraltar. So Ngayon pa lang, since dumating ako ng Genoa, ngayon pa lang ako nakalabas. Welcome to Gibraltar. Okay, my first week, pero nakalabas na tayo, no? So ito yung cruise terminal mismo, may duty free dito. So it means duty free, wala mga taxes yung mga binibenta nilang alak, sigarilyo at perfume. Alright, welcome to Gibraltar. Okay, let's go out. So nasa labas na tayo. Ayan na yung barko namin. So that's the famous Rock of Gibraltar. So last time actually punta ko rito was 1997. Ang tagal na. My second contract sa isang maliit na barko. Okay, lakad tayo doon papuntang downtown. So pag nandito kayo sa abroad, tapos nagdock yung mga barko nyo, ngayon lang ang ano, titingnan, hanapin nyo yung Seafarers Wi-Fi Center, yung mga, kasi maraming libreng Wi-Fi, meron din sa cruise terminal at sa mga iba pa pang lugar, mga coffee shop, ganun, bar. Hi guys, so since ang duty natin is from 10 in the morning until 2, tapos balik natin 6 PM na, lumabas tayo ngayon. So we are docked in Gibraltar as part of a UK territory. Pasya-pasya muna tayo dito sa downtown area. Okay, samahan nyo ako guys. Ciao. So ito yung mga usong motor dito, mga scooter na malalaki, mga Honda X-Max, SYM. So hindi lang pala sa Pilipinas. So this is the city center. Malit lang ang island ng Gibraltar, no? There's not much here. Maybe try to look into its history sa ChatGPT or sa Google. So let's try pumasok sa supermarket. Dito maliit. Natin kung may mabibili. So pounds and currency dito because like I said, ito yung territory ng UK. So after almost 2 hours na nag-ikot-ikot tayo sa downtown, there's nothing much to see except that, of course, yung nakapanibago, since we haven't been here many times, no? Tsaka ang purpose ko dito, mapakita lang sa inyo yung mga pinupuntahan namin mga seaman. At kung interesado po kayong magtrabaho sa cruise ship, feel free to drop your comments on the comment slot below at masagot natin. Matulungan ko kayo kung paano po ang procedure ng tatrabaho sa barko po. Okay? Thank you. Okay, on my way back to the ship, let's discuss po kung paano ako napunta dito sa cruise ship, no? So in 1990s po, nagtrabaho tayo sa hotel, sa Price Plaza Hotel Cagayan de Oro, and then sa VIP Hotel Cagayan de Oro, and then napunta tayo ng Shangri-La Cebu, and then from Shangri-La Cebu nagbukas yung agency ng Magsaysay. So doon tayo nakakuha na first contract sa cruise ship as a bartender. Nowadays madali na lang kasi napakadami pong agency na nag-hire. So pag interesado po kayo, just drop the comment para mabigyan ko kayo ng idea na pwede tayo mag-apply as a utility muna. Kung wala tayong hotel background, pwede rin tayo mag-apply as a bartender, bar waiter, assistant waiter sa dining room. Depende na lang po sa experience niyo. Kung meron kayo at least 1 year of experience sa hotel, pwede po yan. So Sa sweldo maganda po, libre lahat dito, accommodation, board and lodging, food. 3, 4, 5 times a day ka pwede kumain. Maraming restaurant, walang discrimination sa restaurant. Ang restaurant international buffet. Tapos sa sweldo maganda po, well compensated po ang sweldo. Kung nasa utility position kayo, siyempre mas mababa, but after 6 months pwede na kayo mag-apply. So bartender would make $2,500 to $3,000. Sample lang po yan. We'll discuss more on our next video. Okay, ciao for now. Yan yung barko ko, 3,500 guests maximum. We are sailing Canaries next week after the crossing. So marami tayong pupuntahan ng lugar, guys.